Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with your leg muscles suddenly tightening? A sharp pain that almost feels like electricity shooting down your calf? If you're over 60, that pain might not just be a random cramp. It might be your body warning you. You see, after 60, your leg muscles and nerves begin to behave differently. Research from the Journal of Age and Aging found that seniors are twice as likely to experience muscle cramps and weakness, not simply because of age, but because the nerve signals that control your muscles begin to change. And here's what's truly surprising. A study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, discovered that the biggest reason for cramps and weak legs isn't always dehydration or low potassium. It's neuromuscular fatigue, meaning the communication between your nerves and muscles becomes unbalanced. Now here's the twist. Some fruits that you think are healthy can actually worsen this problem if eaten in the wrong way or in the wrong amount. Today, I'll show you 3 such fruits, what the science says about them, and how you can eat them smarter to keep your legs strong, even at 70 or 80. Why seniors lose leg strength. Before we talk about fruits, let's understand what's really going on inside your legs. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia. According to research from the European Journal of Applied Physiology, after age 50, you can lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year if you don't actively maintain it. But it's not just muscle size. Your neuromuscular control. That's the connection between your brain, spinal cord, and muscle fibers, also starts to weaken. A review published in Practical Neurology found that most leg cramps, especially in older adults, come from misfiring of nerves, not just lack of potassium or dehydration, as we often think. And then come the lifestyle factors. Slower recovery, medications that change electrolyte balance, and less physical activity. All of this means one thing. Your leg muscles become more vulnerable to fatigue and cramps. So, if we want strong legs, we must support not just the muscle itself, but the nerves and nutrition that keep it active and stable. Fruit number 1. Mango, the potassium trap. Let's start with the first fruit, the delicious mango. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, but for seniors, especially those taking medicines for blood pressure or kidneys, mango can quietly cause trouble. Here's why. Mango contains high potassium, around 170 milliorders per 100 grams. Now, normally, potassium helps muscles contract properly. But research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that when potassium levels get too high, it can actually disrupt nerve signals, making muscles tighten or cramp unexpectedly. There's even a real case reported in PubMed. A 79-year-old woman who ate 1 mango every night started having severe nighttime leg cramps. Her blood potassium was higher than normal, 5.5 mmol/L, and when she stopped eating the mango daily, her cramps disappeared. So, what's happening here? In seniors, kidneys don't filter excess potassium as efficiently, and nerve response slows. That extra potassium from frequent mangoes builds up, and the result: cramps, heaviness, or muscle fatigue. What to do instead? You don't need to stop eating mango. Just eat smartly. Half a mango at lunch, not at night. Pair it with protein, like yogurt or nuts, to slow absorption. And always hydrate well afterward. That way you enjoy the taste, without overloading your nerves and muscles. Fruit number 2. Overripe bananas, the sugar and fatigue link. Next up, bananas. For years, people have said, eat a banana if you get cramps. But newer research paints a different picture. A 2021 study reviewed in Frontiers in Physiology found that eating bananas does not significantly reduce the frequency of muscle cramps, even after an hour of ingestion. Why? Because cramps are neurological, not just electrolyte-based. Now, overripe bananas, the soft, brown-spotted ones, have higher sugar and lower fiber. That high sugar spikes insulin, which quickly lowers blood sugar again. This up and down effect causes fatigue, making your leg muscles lose energy faster, especially in seniors where glucose metabolism slows. And there's more. A paper from Harvard Health Publishing noted that high-sugar diets in older adults increase inflammation and reduce muscle recovery speed. So, when you eat multiple overripe bananas daily, you're not giving your muscles energy. You're actually draining it. The better way, choose firm, just ripe bananas. Eat them mid-morning or after light activity, never as a meal substitute. Pair them with protein, like almonds or peanut butter. This slows sugar absorption and supports recovery. And remember, bananas are good, but they're not magic for cramps. Your legs need a mix of minerals, protein, and hydration, not just one fruit. Fruit number 3. Watermelon. Hydration without electrolytes. Finally, let's talk about watermelon, the hydration hero. It's 90% water, refreshing, light, and loved by everyone. But when it comes to leg muscles, it's not the full story. Watermelon gives you fluid and a little potassium, but not much sodium, calcium, or magnesium, all of which are essential for proper muscle contraction. That's why if you only eat watermelon after a walk or workout, you might feel hydrated but still get cramps later. The National Library of Medicine explains that cramps are often caused by neuromuscular fatigue, not just low electrolytes. So yes, watermelon helps hydration, but doesn't repair muscle signals or restore balance. Also, large servings can fill you up, stopping you from eating other nutrient-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, or beans that actually rebuild muscle. The right way for seniors. Have a small bowl of watermelon with a few salted nuts or a piece of cheese. That adds sodium and protein. Avoid eating huge amounts right after sweating or physical activity. Use watermelon as part of a balanced snack, not the whole meal. That combination gives you hydration and muscle recovery support. Smart fruit strategy for seniors' legs. Now, let's tie everything together into a simple plan that keeps your legs strong and cramp-free. Portion and timing. Eat fruits in small portions throughout the day, not all at once. Avoid late-night fruit. Digestion slows, and nerve muscle recovery is less active. Always pair fruit with protein or healthy fats to keep blood sugar steady. Balance electrolytes. Don't chase one nutrient. Seniors often focus only on potassium, but your muscles also need calcium, magnesium, and sodium. A study from Frontiers in Nutrition confirms that balanced electrolytes are more effective than just potassium for preventing cramps. So include yogurt, leafy greens, nuts, and a pinch of salt if your doctor allows. Keep the legs moving. Leg muscles stay healthy when they're used. Simple habits like walking, calf raises, or light stretching daily improve nerve muscle communication. Research from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that seniors who walk 20 minutes daily maintain 35% more leg strength than those who don't. Variety matters. Don't eat the same fruit every day. Rotate between different kinds. Berries, apples, pears, kiwis, to get a mix of antioxidants and nutrients without overload. When to see a doctor. If you notice your legs feel weak, heavy, or you wake up often with cramps, don't ignore it. Frequent cramps can be linked to medication side effects, kidney health, or circulation issues. doctors can check your electrolyte levels and suggest diet tweaks. Sometimes simple changes, like adjusting one fruit or adding magnesium, can make a huge difference. The National Institute on Aging emphasizes that early management of leg weakness through diet and light movement can prevent falls and improve independence for seniors. So treat your legs as your foundation, because your mobility is your freedom. Conclusion and motivation. Let's wrap up. Your legs carry you through life. Every step, every climb, every moment of independence. And at 60, 70, or even 80, you still have the power to keep them strong. Now you know, mango, eat in moderation. Don't overload at night. Bananas, avoid overripe and sugary ones, pair with protein. Watermelon, hydrate smartly, but balance with electrolytes. The goal isn't to stop eating fruit, it's to eat it wisely. So today, try this. Pick your favorite fruit, cut the portion in half, and add a little protein. Your legs will thank you, not just today, but every step for years to come. And remember, strong legs mean a strong life.